I just want to lie in a pile of warm laundry and eat bread. These are so hilarious, so funny. In this video, I'm sharing how I'm setting up the Happy Planner horizontal planner to use as a gratitude journal in 2021. Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch new planning videos every week. So I'm just going to grab this February out of here, and that will go right in my planner for journaling in February. And then I want to show you how I've been doing the journaling. Step one, choose a sticker that represents something that you're grateful for today. So today I went shopping and that was super fun. So I want to find a sticker that says, there's some little ones, fun day. And I know there's some in here. Oh, here's a big one. So something like this. I will grab a sticker that kind of represents what I'm grateful for today. Or that helps describe what I'm grateful for today. And then I will put that right in here, something like that. Grab a pen in a color that I like. I like to use a pen that matches the planner. And then I will just journal about what I'm grateful for today. So in this one, I would say, because I went shopping, so I would say something like, so much fun shopping today. Exclamation. Went to all the stores. Then you just do that every day in your planner. You can use different colors, different stickers, and it ends up being just a great place to just flip through and read all the things that you're grateful for. It helps you to focus every day on something you're grateful for, and it's a fun way to use your stickers. Do you have a gratitude journal? If yes, tell me in the comments down below, which kind of planner or layout are you using for your gratitude journal? I'm gonna go ahead and journal for yesterday just because I can. Why not? I am so proud of myself for yesterday. This is what I got done. When I came home from work, I actually walked for 30 minutes, like a good workout. There, heck yes. Did 30-minute walk after work today. So proud. So I get to say, feeling a little better. One more sticker. Crushed it. Tweezers. This is why tweezers. So that's kind of how my journal ends up looking, and you can just have so much fun with it. This is like, you know, I have a lot of favorite things, but this is one of my favorite things right now. Gratitude journaling and putting stickers in, writing with colored pens. It's just fun, and then when you flip back through it, it's so much fun to just read through all the things that you're grateful for in your life. If you like this video, please be sure to subscribe, share with your friends, hit that thumbs up button, click the link in the description box to get your free power plan checklist so you can plan along with me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!